In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a course from students. If you need to temporarily take a course out of circulation, maybe you're updating content, fixing dates, or prepping for a new term, hiding it from students is quick and reversible. You'll need to be an administrator or have a role with the right permissions to make this change. Start by going to your site administration area. From there, open the Courses section, then select Manage Courses and Categories. This is the central place where all your course organization and visibility settings live. If you don't see this option, you may not have permission to manage courses, so check with your site administrator. On the Manage Courses and Categories page, navigate to the category that contains the course you want to hide. Courses are grouped under categories to keep things organized, so expand the relevant category if it's collapsed. If you're working with a long list, look for a search or filter field on the page to quickly find the exact course by name. Once you locate it, you're ready to change its visibility. Next, look for the eye icon next to the course. This icon is a simple toggle for visibility. When the eye appears open, the course is visible to students. Click the eye to switch it to a closed eye, which means the course is now hidden from students. Some themes also show a text label like Hidden or Show Hide to confirm the status, so use those cues if you see them. Hiding a course doesn't delete anything, it just removes student access and hides the course from their dashboards and course lists. Teachers, managers, and administrators will still be able to see and work in the course while it's hidden. There's no separate save button for this action. The change applies immediately when you click the eye icon. To double-check, confirm that the icon shows a closed eye, or that the course is labeled as hidden. If the page doesn't update right away, refresh your browser to make sure you're seeing the latest status. In most setups, students will no longer be able to access the course, even if they try a direct link, though your site's permissions may influence edge cases. That's it, quick and clean. You've used the Manage Courses and Categories page to locate your course and toggle its visibility so it's hidden from students while you work. When you're ready to reopen it, return to the same page and click the eye again to make it visible.